I don't know how to feel about this kind of acrylic rings. Sometimes I like them, sometimes I hate them, but I want to try to give them a chance. Let's try to give it a new life to 3 pieces of rings. As you see, I use in this for this ring I want to add this flower that belongs to an earring that I never use it because it's too heavy for my ear. Now we try to reuse and give it a new life, new purpose. Previously I hit a needle and I tried to open this hole, and then using this little drill to try to remove the small pieces left into the hole, and then using the stick from the earring just to add it inside the hole and glue it. For gluing the pieces together I used some mix of epoxy glue. It goes very good to this kind of materials. And remember, the epoxy takes 24 hours to dry out, so I add these 2 small pearls the day after. Here starting the second ring project, and I used this little pineapple. It was an old button, a button that I have from left over from another early project, and I decided to give it also a new purpose here. Here is something that I'm just trying to, taste and see how it looks. But then I decided to remove some small leaves from the second earring. This is the match from the other I used in the green ring. So, this kind of metal can have some small sharps. The edges can end up being sharp when you cut it, so I use this small drill just to try to remove this sharp and avoid that it can hurt in the fingers or something like that in the skin. Once again, then I try to add a little bit of the epoxy glue and then add it into the acrylic ring. And now adding the last leaf into the string. So this is the final result, and that's how it looks. And here we are already into the third renovation. Let's transform one more of these rings. I'm trying to taste a little bit and see if the size match or if the colors go together, and then I decide for the blue and pink at the end. The top wasn't completed flat, then I threaded a little bit to do the top side more flat and even. It makes more easy to glue on it. And I added also some small ring stones. This is the result. I hope you enjoyed and like this renovation acrylic rings. Thank you very much for enjoying my channel, and I hope you keep here with me into Facetica.